is Republic Day and it's a public holiday.
Oh, so tomorrow we could have a plate and no school.
Yeah. There will be a huge parade organized at Rajpath in New Delhi. And the president will take the salute and it will be a great sight to watch them in the TV.
Yes, all the soldiers look so beautiful in their proper uniform and the shoes.
Yes.
First, our national flag is unfurled and then our national anthem is sung as show respect to our flag.
Do you know why this parade is organized?
Yes, to show the strength of military to the people.
Along with Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day is also one of the major national festivals of India. On Republic Day, various flag hoisting ceremonies and parades are held in different parts of the country. Along with these ceremonies and speeches, various cultural programs are also organized. The biggest of these is held at Rajpath in New Delhi before the President of India, and it shows the country's rich cultural heritage and military powers. It commences from Rashtrapati Bhavan, President's residence, Raigina Hills, along the Rajpath until the India Gate. The Prime Minister of India lays a wreath at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate in memory of the martyrs of the country who have sacrificed their lives for us and our country. Why the Republic Day is so important and why do we get it as a national holiday? It is a date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. So what is Constitution? It is a rule book in which all the fundamental principles and rules relating to the governing of the state is written for the welfare of the people and the country. Why 26 January was chosen the Republic Day? It was so because on this date only in 1930 the Declaration of Independence, Purna Swaraj, was demonstrated by the Indian National Congress as against the British. Now awards and recognitions. After the Grand Parade, gallantry awards like Paramvir Chakra, Veer Chakra and Ashok Chakra are given by the President to the brave soldiers. Pradhan Mantri Bal Puraskar is given to various children for their outstanding achievements in various fields like science, technology, art and craft, sports. Children Kalyan Award is awarded to those doing contribution in the field of child development and welfare. Our national symbols. Our first national symbol is our national flag, Tiranga. It is a tricolor flag with Ashok Chakra embedded in the middle, which has 24 spokes. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore, whose photo is put over here, is a national anthem of India. It is a song which is always sung in the Republic Day during the flag hoisting ceremony. It takes 52 seconds to complete the whole song. Our national animal, Royal Bengal tiger, is our national animal. It is found in Sundarbans, West Bengal. They are powerful hunters and can travel miles so as to hunt and catch their prey. Our national bird, peacock, is our national bird. It is a blue swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers. Now a fact about the peacock. Its tail covers 60% of total length of their body. Hockey, our national sports. Hockey is our national game. The term hockey is attributed to the French word hoquet, which means shepherd's stick. Say This boy, this sportsman, is holding the hockey stick, which is in the shape of a shepherd's stick. There are three main ways in which hockey can be played, that is air hockey, field hockey and the roller hockey. Our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. It is an aquatic plant that represents both beauty and purity. It is available in a range of sizes and it floats on water. Our India. See, this is the map of India, and near the flag of India, so many children are standing in different costumes. So, this is our India. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Nearly 22 languages are spoken here. People of all religion live here with peace, love, and harmony. So, this is a secular country. Republic Day 2021. Due to current scenario of COVID-19, Republic Day will be of shorter duration this year. No chief guest will be invited, small marching contingents and few cultural programs will be organized, and so limited spectators will be.